how to promote Digistore24 products on Quora. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about how we will be able to use Quora to promote the products that we have in Digistore24. Now in Quora, it's like a public space where you could post any question, any answer, or maybe something in general. And we could use Quora to promote our Digistore products. What I could recommend, or what I would recommend, is that you could use Canva over here to create details or create images with details or with designs about your product. You could use Canva's different elements, different capabilities to create unique designs about your product. You could make a professional template, something like that, and then you could simply download the image of your product with your professional designs, and you could post it as an image. You could upload an image over here, give it a bit of caption, and you will be able to promote your Digistore24 products inside of Quora. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.